Very good morning, all of you. Here, Sergeant Dr. Drishtipal Singh Parihar, Assistant Professor in School of Arts, Humanities, and Social Sciences. Friends, today I am talking about why should we take history as a subject. So there are too many reasons by which we can take history as a subject in Bachelor of Arts as well as in Master of Arts too. First, if we see about after graduation or after post-graduation, what should the opportunities we have to do in the field of history? First, archaeology. The work of an archaeologist can be research-based or field-related. It includes excavation, but that is only one aspect of archaeology. You are free to specialize in particular objects of study. For instance, you can be an expert on coins called numismatist or an epigraphist who decipher inscription. Friends, you have another option if you have a history as a subject, museology. What means museology? If you become the museologist, you are the specialist in museology are the ones who deal with the design, organization, and management of museums. Their work is filled with research, administration, and public relations. Friends, you have also another option like museum curator. So what is the basic work of museum curator? Museum curators specialize in natural history, metals, terracotta, textiles, paintings, and other related things. The field requires an artistic and aesthetic bent of mind along with administrative skills. Friends, you have another option for if you have history as a subject, archivists. So what archivists generally do? Archivists are experts in preservation, repairing parchment and paper, manuscripts, and microfilming documents. They get work in museums, libraries, the National Archives of India, and in different state archives. Historians, this is also another option if you have history as a subject. So what's basically work of historians? A historian's job is to study and research history and communicate it through written or published works. Friends, we have also another very good aspect in the job matter if you have history. History experts. So what is the basic work of history experts? This is a tremendous demand for history experts in the movie houses as well as who could undertake research work for consumers, jewelry, movie sets. These experts work closely with both the director and the cinematographer. Friends, you have another option if you have a history, that is teacher. You would become a teacher. For those who have an interest in teaching can share their knowledge by becoming a teacher, either for primary schools or for universities. To be a teacher, you need to have pursued history in your graduation and should have pursued B.Ed. In addition, you can also be employed as a researcher in historical research organizations such as Indian Council of Historical Research, ICHR, and Indian Council of Social Sciences Research, ICSSR. Friends, at the meantime, the students who are preparing for civil services, either for the Union Public Service Commission or State Public Service Commission, the most loving subject which the students like to have or opt in their mains examination, that is history. So history is very good subject for them. So history has always been a favorite subject for the civil service exam, particularly the main exam. Although the vast syllabus offers many advantages like easy to understand and absorb, no dearth of study material, and the fact that it covers a key segment of the general studies paper. So, friends, this is all about the students. For those students who opt the history and they have too much doubt in their mind, what would they do if they opt the history as a subject? So you have tremendous of options, but the thing is that you have proper knowledge uh, in which you have to go. So thanks from my side. Here Dr. Dishtipal Singh Parihar, ending the video. All the best for all my friends. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.